Do you know these 10 English idioms that are used for overly good or self-righteous people? So let's start. Teacher's pet. Teacher's pet denotes a student who tries hard to please the teacher. Example. Everyone knows Sarah is the teacher's pet. She always volunteers first. A brown noser is someone who flatters authority figures to gain favor. Example. He's such a brown noser, always complimenting the boss. A kiss-up is a person who tries to win favor by excessive praise or obedience. Example. Stop being such a kiss-up and just do your work. Apple polisher is an idiom used to refer to someone who tries to gain favor through flattery. Example. The apple polisher brought coffee for the manager every morning. A suck-up is a person who acts overly nice to someone in authority. Example. Nobody likes a suck-up in the office. Do-gooder. A do-gooder is someone who tries to help others in a way that is annoying or self-righteous. Example. The new volunteer is a real do-gooder, always telling us what's best. Virtue signaling means showing off one's good deeds or moral correctness, mainly to gain approval or look superior, rather than from genuine intent. Example. Posting about every charity donation online can sometimes come across as virtue signaling. Saintly. Saintly means acting extremely virtuous or morally perfect. Example. She's so saintly, she never breaks a rule. Go the extra mile. To go the extra mile means to make more effort than is expected. Example. He always goes the extra mile to impress his boss. Model citizen. Someone who behaves in an exemplary way is referred to as a model citizen. Example. The mayor called her a model citizen for her charity work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Goodbye. See you in the next episode.